music going real quick. Okay, so we're working on it, sending data, whatever, streaming. It says we're streaming. Hit the go live button. There we go. All right, today's gonna be a fast one, because I'm starting late. And I do need to work soon, but I do want to bring this up here. Um, I'll dive into planning. I feel like my day definitely goes a lot smoother when I start out strong. Okay, primary tasks. Let me make sure I'm doing this so people can see it well. Primary tasks, secondary tasks, and then we'll just copy over our eventual tasks. Because sometimes it is worth just doing that. Okay, so as a review of yesterday, yesterday I didn't even get to planning. Yesterday, what I ended up doing is the night's sleep with a baby was really rough. Last night was too. So while I did work on stuff, I didn't work on these specifically. And so let me just hop on over to the new day. It's new day, new things. I should see. Cold call a business. Send businesses emails/texts. Create some websites. Also, here's a big thing. I need to create a static page hosting plan. I had a friend reach out yesterday who was asking about what it would look like for me to do this for them, and I decided, you know what, I need clients, and I want to be able to help friends, and so I want to be able to charge I want to basically say like, hey, help me get started, increase my portfolio. I will just charge you the cost of hosting, basically, because I'll sign up and then just basically forward the costs to him, including purchasing the DNS name and all that stuff. But I don't actually know what the hosting is going to look like because I haven't decided who I'm going to use. Do I use Versal to host or render? Do I use an Edge platform? I think Cloudflare has that. So, yeah, I need to figure that out exactly. Figure out how to both be scalable and simple at the same time for managing lots of different websites. It sounds like there's stuff that might be good in the long run from what I've seen so far, but stuff that's not really convenient for right now. So either way, we're going to figure out the plan for that. And then I guess another cool thing, I did talk to another guy I know yesterday who was interested in the fact that I've been doing web development this year, that I've been building platforms like Cooperative Compass, and I'm trying to build these websites for other businesses and software to help ease the administrative load on different businesses. And so he seems to be interested in having me work with him on a project that I could get ownership in, which would be cool. And he is great at sales and that kind of stuff, which would be awesome. So who knows? That might go somewhere. Maybe it won't. We'll see. Secondary tasks. I do think I probably should just copy those over. This is a tough thing about working ADHD is you end up doing this kind of stuff a lot. I feel like, because you don't want to forget things, but you also just get obsessed about a certain thing and you just work constantly. And so it works. That's it, I think. I'm gonna hop into this stuff. I think I'm just gonna live stream more tomorrow. Yeah, that's how it's going. I guess on some other news, um, workout plans go well. I've been I've been thinking that maybe I should try to do the whole like selfie influencer thing, record some videos during my workouts or during like later in the day when I'm working on this stuff. Just to kind of record my experience from that end of things. I think it could be helpful. Um, Help me with being more aware of where I am, what I'm doing, if I'm focused on the end goal. Yeah. And I guess the other thing to note is that I did, at least on YouTube, I don't keep the number updated, but I did update the number on YouTube, 350 a month. So we've got the monthly recurring revenue from the strength training class up to 350 a month. Then, if I remember right, in the next couple of weeks, we should be able to bump that up to 450 a month, which will be awesome. That should help lighten the strain on my family a lot. And then after that, it'll just be a matter of just getting businesses signed up. I'm probably gonna have to create an LLC soon to handle this because I have an LLC for Cooperative Compass, but I'm gonna need one for I don't know what to call it. Ethan's web design, something like that. But we'll get there. So yeah, today is cold calling, cold texting and emailing. Today is generating some more websites, and along with that, some more videos, and creating a plan. I'm also gonna let I'm gonna let Claude work in the background on the CRM project. We're getting a lot closer. The work that I got done on it yesterday, I've got customers that I can put in and edit, invoices, doing some bug fixing right now, and then hopefully I'm hoping I'll be able to kind of bring it mostly together by the end of today and be able to start using it to track my my interaction with customers or potential customers at this point. And then from there we'll be able to expand it into these other useful services like the callback text stuff. But I really do want to get an actual like paying customer for website web hosting stuff, because ultimately I need some revenue so that I can feel justified in starting to dump money into registering an LLC and paying for various services. Like I'm going to need to pay for the 10 DLC phone texting campaign stuff so that I can work on the missed call text back and other various texting related features. So I'm in compliance there. I'm gonna need to pay for I probably should start paying for Google Business Suite. Probably pay for some custom DNS manager, since I'm getting into the point where I'll be managing multiple domains. I got Cooperative Compass that I'm managing for myself. I'm going to be managing other people's domains, so I'm going to need to handle that too. So there's just several things where I'm having sort of startup, getting off the ground costs, and I would really like to have that covered by revenue for my business rather than take that from my family's budget right now. But life is what it is. It works how it works, and we're gonna keep pushing. We're gonna keep pushing. I signed the accountability contract. There's no way out of it for me. We're going to keep doing this until we succeed. And that's where we're at. All right. With that, I'm going to stop streaming and